Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates available on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned tailor or just starting your sewing journey, these top-rated products are sure to inspire and elevate your creations. So, without further ado, let's get started. Presenting at number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates on Amazon, we have the 100 PCs sewing labels for handmade items, handmade with love labels, embossed tags, sew on clothing, fabric labels for DIY crafts, knitting, crocheting, sewing, off-white. These labels aren't just tags, they're a statement, a testament to the care, love, and individuality you pour into every handmade item. Each label is embossed with the heartfelt message, handmade and printed with. Imagine adding this little touch of magic to your creations. It's not just a label, it's a signature of authenticity, a mark of your meticulous craftsmanship. Sized to perfection, these labels measure approximately 2 by 2 centimeters when folded and 4 by 2 centimeters when unfolded. Compact yet impactful, they're easy to sew onto your creations without overpowering the design. Whether you're attaching them to clothing, plush toys, hats, or even doll decorations, these labels add a touch of elegance and personality to every piece. Ease of use is another highlight. These tags are designed for convenience. They can be sewn wherever you desire and removed or reused whenever you wish. Versatility at its finest. And they're not just for clothes. Think wider. Canvas, customized crafts, knitting, crocheting. The applications are endless. Perfect for gift giving. These labels transform your handmade items into thoughtful, personalized presents. They say, "This was made with love," making every gift even more special. Imagine sewing one onto a cozy scarf, a handmade doll, or a custom hat. It's that final flourish that makes your work truly unforgettable. Incorporate these fabric labels into your crafts and watch as they elevate your projects from beautiful to extraordinary. They're not just labels, they're the finishing touch that every handmade item deserves. So add that personal, heartfelt touch to your creations with these exquisite handmade with love labels. At number 4 in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates on Amazon, we present the Butterick Mrs. Close-Fitting Pullover Knit Tops and Pants Sewing Pattern Kit, design code B6966, in sizes 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. This sewing pattern kit is a treasure trove for those who love to create stylish, personalized clothing. Inside, you'll find sewing templates, fabric recommendations, pattern pieces, sizing guides, and step-by-step instructions. Everything you need to bring your fashion ideas to life is right here. Catering to sizes 14 through 22, these patterns are designed with versatility in mind. The close-fitting pullover tops offer various neckline styles and options for elbow or long sleeves, all finished with narrow hems. Whether you prefer a fitted, straight-legged look or slightly flared pants, these patterns ensure a perfect fit with an elastic waist and no side seams. Butterick's patterns are a gateway to a world of style, drawing inspiration from both modern trends and iconic vintage classics. This kit empowers you to infuse your wardrobe with your unique flair, transforming fabric into fashion. Proudly designed and manufactured in the United States, Butterick patterns embody quality and craftsmanship. They're more than just patterns. They're the foundation of your next favorite outfit. Create with confidence, knowing you're using patterns from a brand that has stood the test of time. Incorporate the Butterick Mrs. Close-Fitting Pullover Knit Tops and Pants Sewing Pattern Kit into your collection and experience the joy of sewing your own stylish, custom-fit clothing. From start to finish, this kit guides you through the process, ensuring that each piece you create is uniquely yours.
Ranking at number 3 in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates on Amazon, we bring you the Mary's Productions Mary Malari Crisscross Apron Pattern, original version, one size fits all. This isn't just any apron pattern. It's the most frequently requested reversible apron pattern by Mary Malari. A true favorite among sewing enthusiasts, it's designed for simplicity and comfort. Imagine an apron that's easy to sew, effortless to wear, and free from those pesky neckbands that rub on the back of your neck or strings that need constant tying and adjusting. Crafted from 2 one-yard pieces of fabric, This apron offers practicality with style. It features 2 pockets on each reversible side, providing ample space for all your kitchen or crafting essentials. And with options for sizing, you can ensure a perfect, comfortable fit every time. The beauty of this crisscross apron lies in its ease of use. An illustration included in the pattern shows exactly how to put it on and wear it, making it a breeze even for beginners. Whether you're cooking up a storm or working on a craft project, this apron provides both functionality and flair. The Mary Malari Crisscross apron pattern is more than just a sewing project. It's a testament to thoughtful design and user-friendly features. With no neckbands or strings to worry about, it offers unparalleled comfort and ease. Elevate your sewing repertoire with this indispensable pattern and experience the joy of creating something both beautiful and practical. Dive into the world of seamless comfort and timeless style with the Mary Malari Crisscross apron pattern. It's not just an apron, it's a game changer for your kitchen and crafting adventures.
Are you stitching together some enjoyment with our countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates on Amazon? Well, don't be a seamstress in distress. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your creativity threaded and never miss a pattern. Securing the number 2 spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates on Amazon, we have the Vogue VI 2000 H5 Mrs. Wrap Dress Sewing Pattern Packet by Diane von Furstenberg, design code V2000, in sizes 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This isn't just a sewing pattern, it's a piece of fashion history. The iconic 1970s wrap dress by Diane von Furstenberg, a symbol of elegance and empowerment, has been released from the archives for its 50th anniversary. Now you can create your own version of this timeless classic. The Vogue Pattern Kit provides everything you need to get started. Pattern pieces for cutting out the fabric, step-by-step written and illustrated instructions to guide you through the sewing process, and detailed information on selecting the perfect fabric and trims. It's not just a pattern, it's a comprehensive guide to making a masterpiece. Designed to fit Mrs. sizes 6 through 14, this authentic vintage reproduction offers additional size options and cutting layouts, ensuring a perfect fit. Customize your wrap dress with your choice of fabric, length, collar, cuffs, and tie placement. The versatility is unparalleled, allowing for a truly personalized creation. This wrap dress sits 3 inches below mid-knee or can be made in an elegant evening length. With a fitted bodice, slightly gathered at the front, and tucked at the back into the waistline, it accentuates your figure beautifully. Full-length sleeves with pointed cuffs and button trim add a touch of sophistication. The option of a pointed collar and top-stitch trim lets you tailor the dress to your taste. The fit and flare skirt and attached tie-ends, which can be tied at the side, front, or center back, complete the design, making it as functional as it is fashionable. This pattern is not just about sewing, it's about creating a garment that exudes style and confidence. Experience the legacy of Diane von Furstenberg's design with the Vogue VI 2000 H5 Mrs. Wrap Dress Sewing Pattern. It's more than a dress, it's an expression of your creativity and individuality. Dive into the world of fashion and bring this iconic wrap dress to life, just as it was meant to be. And finally, claiming the coveted number 1 spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates on Amazon, we have the pattern paper for fashion design, 45 inches x 10 yards, alphanumeric dotted marking paper, proudly made in the USA. This isn't just any pattern paper, it's a game changer for fashion designers, dressmakers, and professional pattern makers alike. A roll of alphanumeric pattern paper, measuring 45 inches wide and 10 yards long, provides an extensive canvas for your creative projects. It's the secret weapon for developing, grading, or tracing patterns with unparalleled precision and ease. What makes this paper indispensable? It's the perfect blend of translucency and durability. You can clearly see your underlying patterns, yet the paper stands up to the rigors of pencil markings and erasing. It's robust, resilient, and ready to handle whatever your creative process demands. Premium white paper, a step above traditional tracing tissue, offers a user-friendly experience. Scissors, pattern notchers, and rotary cutters glide through effortlessly, making the cutting process smooth and precise. It's not just practical, It's a pleasure to use, elevating your pattern-making experience to new heights. This alphanumeric dotted marking paper is a favorite in the world of fashion design for good reason. It's versatile, reliable, and designed to meet the high standards of professional pattern makers. Whether you're drafting a new dress, grading sizes, or tracing a beloved pattern, this paper ensures your work is accurate and efficient. Choose the best, and let your creativity flourish with the pattern paper for fashion design. It's more than just paper. It's the foundation of your next masterpiece, the starting point for designs that will come to life with precision and elegance. Embrace the quality, embrace the ease, and see why this pattern paper stands unrivaled at number 1. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling sewing patterns and templates on Amazon. To keep up with the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.